Hey, look, it's an empty bay in here. My Suzuki Cara is up at the shop, getting the downpipe fitted and tested, whatnot, so it's not at my house. It's actually kind of weird not to have it in here. It's been in here for so long, for a little over a year, actually. So much room for activities. Yeah. So you can see here, I have my table laid out with a bunch of packages marked fragili and fragili. And, whoa, no fragili on this one. Okay, let's open them up and take a look at what's inside. Let's start with the smallest one. Seem fair? Okay. Ooh, what's this? I got a little car, a little truck. Oh, it's one of those push ones. Is it? I don't know. Whatever. My kid will probably enjoy playing with that. So this is my massive gasket order for everything. What is this stuff? Is this the valve cover gasket? I think this is my valve cover gaskets. This is an empty box. Ooh, these are nice and heavy. They're nice metal gaskets, Suzuki OEM ones. They are the triangular flange that comes from the exhaust manifold to the turbocharger, I believe. And I got a few just in case I need. Ooh, full stack of these guys. This is the gasket that goes to the downpipe that's coming. So if you guys are ordering one, you'll be getting one of these gaskets that's currently in my hand here. What else did I get? These are various exhaust gaskets here. I got a bunch just because I will be taking my thing apart a few times just in case I ruin one. I'll have extras for myself. This one is also gaskets. What's this thing? Cut that open. Oh, okay. These are the tiny gaskets that probably go in the little piping and stuff for the turbo. Okay. That was a big package of gaskets, and this, I'm assuming these are valve cover gaskets. Cool. Let's open the second largest package. What is this? Ah, okay. These were head gaskets that were ordered by mistake. I have two head gaskets. I'm holding on to these for Rob at Etsu Ryu. I hope I'm saying that right, Rob. So if you're going to order a set of head gaskets, or if you're going to order one head gasket, or two, I have two. If you're going to order them and you're in the US and you're ordering them from Rob, I'm going to drop ship them for him here. I got, ooh. What else did I get? I ordered all this stuff like months ago, and I'm finally getting it now. So I'm excited to look at what I actually got. All right, let's toss that stuff aside. Okay, these are new head bolts for when I take my engine apart to redo. These are new valve guides. What is this stuff? I think these are the water. Oh man, I really don't know what I ordered. I think this is the set of hardware for my water pump. What is this stuff? I have no idea what these things are either. So I need to go review my order sheet. But they look like some sort of plastic parts. Not that helpful. Let's see what's in here. Okay, cool. This here smells like machine oil. Okay, so this is what a water pump looks like on our twin cam F6A engine. So this spins around, pumps the oil around. No, this spins around, pumps the water around, the coolant, and it keeps your engine cool. That's what this does. All right, cool. This is the gasket for it. I'll keep that there so I don't lose it. Probably rewrap this partially and put this back in the box. Okay, cool. And what is this? This is an injector. It's supposed to be a set of 3. Let's take a look at them. So all the little electrical bits, connector ends and whatnot. This is really nice. I got a set of 3. These are 305cc fuel injectors, multi-hole. I don't know if you can see that, but you know, I'll give you a look. So that's for if I ever want to up my boost some more and therefore requiring more fuel. I have these injectors so they're ready to go. And that's it for that box. Oh wait, no, there's another sticker here. Let's see. My Ray's wheels. Yeah, Ray, my name, right? So my front driver's wheel is a little bit damaged. The Ray sticker, Ray's engineering sticker, got scraped. The wheel itself is undamaged, so it's just the decal. I was hoping I can get a new decal, and I'm so glad that they still make these. I'd show you my wheel, but the car is obviously not here, but basically this one was messed up. I bought a set of these on eBay thinking they're the right size. No, they're not the right size. They're a lot bigger. So these were pretty cheap. I forget what these cost too, but you know, it is what it is. I was hoping these fit. I got them. They look nothing like this. Also the texture and the finish is different. This is more gloss, and this one is kind of like a, I don't know what to call this, eggshell? I don't know. It has a texture to it. I'm happy I have these. When I get my car back, I'll probably do this just to clean that up so it looks nice again. All right, let's hop over to this one. What's in this big box? This one's a bit dirty. Oh, these are funny looking packing peanuts. They're like potato chips. Probably not too tasty though. I'm excited for this. I've never actually held one of these in my hand. It's in its original bag, I guess, but I'm gonna do the honors of breaking it out of its original seal. Ooh, I heard it hiss. All right, this thing is tiny. All right, this is cool. This is really cool. I'm just kind of checking the compressor wheel here. It seems to spin freely and it's nice and tight. So this is a brand new Monster Sport RHB 31 FW, I think, turbocharger. It's pretty cool to have this. So as you can see, this was the gasket that goes here, like that. Nope, like this. Yeah, this is where that gasket goes. And this triangular gasket goes here like that. And then I think the other one, where's the other one? This one was the one that goes here. Yep, I'm finding where all the gaskets go. This is pretty cool. And there's a little one that goes here. So I'm pretty happy with this. So how it works is the exhaust manifold is here. It blows the exhaust through here. It spins this around really fast. And then it spins this side really fast. And it pushes air out of here through the pipe, and it goes into the intercooler. It's supposed to help cool down the air some, and then it jams it back into the intake side, so it's ready for combustion. Then you can have more air plus more fuel equals more power, or boom. Yeah. So this is very cool. Brand new, nice, and my mystery stuff. All right, a bonus before I actually got the video out. So one more box that's marked for J-Leaf. I went on another shopping trip on Yahoo Auctions, and this is what I ended up with. Let's take a look at this in person. This is a 3-hole meter panel. I got this. It's one of the original Lamco ones, I believe. I'm hoping it is what I think it is. Let's open it and take a look because the pictures weren't that good. Ooh, this might be what I think it is. Unfortunately, again, as you can see, I have room to lay out a table here, and there's nothing above my head. My Suzuki Cara is not back from the shop yet. I'm supposed to get that in a couple days. But I believe this is the mount that sits on the next to the left of the AC controls on the passenger footwell area to hold 3 gauge pods. I wanted to grab this too just in case, just so I can have it. But this is nice to have. And look at this. You know what's outrageous? It says the original price was 700 yen. What did I pay for this? I think I paid like... Oh, no, nobody bid on this, actually. I paid about $40-something for this. I guess it wasn't too bad then. I probably had the benefit of nobody knowing what this is because of the bad pictures. I don't know. I took a chance on it. I got it. Nice. Alright. I got a whole wire kit. I got the, you know what? I really don't know what I got now. I got the clutch cable, and I got the accelerator cable. I forget what the third one is. Is that the, it's not the brakes. And I have a mystery third cable. Sorry. Oh, okay. Okay. Ooh. Very Autozam-y. Okay. I got myself one of these manual books. It's the cheapest one I came upon on Yahoo Auctions. It was only 10,000 yen. Is that cheap for an old book? Probably not. But it seemed like a good price for something in pretty good condition here. I know there's this stuff uploaded on the Facebook group with some of it with translations, but it's nice and handy to have the book itself. So this might help when I pull my engine apart and I need to reference some stuff. Let's hope it has that kind of information, even though it's in Japanese and I don't know how to read it. Pictures can help too. I believe there's another manual too. This is just one of them. I wanted to have a Cara book to go with my Suzuki Cara. What is in this? So I've been collecting little stickers and emblems and whatnot, whatever I get stuff, and I've been sticking them all over the place on my lift. I wanted a little Suzuki Sport emblem. I got that too. I'm gonna slip this book back into its like a comic book sleeve here. Oh no, I ripped it. Ah! Okay. What's this? It's also flat. So many weird flat objects. Let's see what I got here. The problem with buying stuff like this is you bid on these auctions and then like what, the week later or whatever, assuming you didn't get outbid, you end up getting the thing or you don't get the thing. And then random stuff shows up because you already forgot what you got. Ooh, okay, I remember this. I got my little Cara brochure. Suzuki Cara, steel skeleton monocoque frame, all plastic outer panel, 2-seater cabin, gull-wing doors, rear midship, 660cc, electronic petrol injection twin cam. I think that's what EPI means. Twin cam, 12 valve, intercooler turbo engine, maximum power, 64 PS, 6,500 RPM net, and maximum torque, 8.7 kilograms per meter, maybe 4,000 RPM, and 5-speed manual transmission, 4-wheel disc brakes, 15 by 65 R13 steel radial tires. Look at that. Ooh, the Cara, the little Suzuki badge, the Cara bumper with the 2 big yellow fog lights. Look at that. It's a little brochure here. You can see a little cutout of the engine, what the body looks like, stuff of the interior, the Suzuki emblem on that, the rare fog light button. Shows you pictures of the fog light. I don't know why they would show you the 3rd tail light, but I don't know. Seats. The seats were originally black. Look at that. The black all the black faded into the blue that we all know it as now. See, like there's the black. Showing you the cutout of the body, bare body, stripped chassis, stripped door, the brakes, all kinds of little stuff here. Maybe I can get this translated and get like an overlay or something just to see. Little specifications on the back. There's like the accessories you can get. Oh, that was an accessory Momo steering wheel you could get. Accessory wheels, the subwoofer. Is that a CD changer, I assume? Wait, those covers are accessories too? I thought those came with the car. But there's a red one, there's a blue one. You get the red insert seats, the blue insert seats, little dimensions and stuff. Specifications of some sort, just like you would see of new cars nowadays. So, cool little literature I'm gonna keep. This is the end of this box, but I think these are fairly important to show you guys. It's so small. It's smaller than my baby. Look at these hilarious things. Man. Are these really that big? Did I get the right things? Like this looks kind of funny here. These are supposed to be the 4 lower control arms. There's 3 down here, there's 1 in my hand, and they're hilariously small. I'm not sure what I can do with this, but I'm gonna try to think of something here. I mean, these are cheap. They're probably like 40 bucks each, something like that. But I want to create a custom lower control arm, and probably use this for measurements so I can get the right thing. But then I can get adjustable camber down here. I don't think I can do adjustable caster. I don't know. I'll see what I can come up with, and just get like a nice tubular aftermarket custom control arm. I don't know what I can come up with here, but at least adjustable camber on the control arm maybe, and then I can come up with some sort of a custom tubular aftermarket like racing fancy reinforced control arm. I don't know. Whatever I come up with, those of you guys watching, I will make a bunch of them, and whatever is available, it will be available, and you will be available to purchase one if you want to spruce up your Autozam AZ-1 or Suzuki Cara. I believe these are actually interchangeable with a whole bunch of vehicles. That makes doing this endeavor a little bit more feasible. I think this is the same in the Alto. So if you have an Alto and you want to get some fancy control arms, go right ahead, because these are just stamped steel. Looks like, yeah, they look like stamped steel, and they're just kind of welded together, and they have like a ball joint and whatnot. So, thank you for watching here. I am on a quest to make many custom parts available for me, myself, and everybody else, those of you that want to partake. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think that can be custom made into a better aftermarket part, and I'll see what I can do when I get there. See you next time.